this video, I'm going to show you how to stream on Kick on your laptop or computer. So I'm going to show you step by step how to start live streaming on Kick. Now, first thing you need to do is just head over to the website kick.com. Now click on your profile icon in the top right hand side and select Create a Dashboard. In the left hand side, click on Stream URL and Key. Now once you're on this page, we need to go and install a streaming application. So head over to an internet browser and type in OBS Studio and press enter. Now this is a free application that will allow us to live stream on Kick. So click on this top website, obsproject.com. Go and select your operating system, so mine's Windows. You can then click on your downloads folder and then click on this installation file. You can now go through the steps to install this onto your computer, and once it's finished, you should see this window here. Now to begin live streaming, we need to click on File in the top left hand side and select Settings. Now click on Stream, click on the drop down next to Service, and go and select Custom. Now we need to enter the server and also the stream key as well. So head back over to the Kick profile page, go and copy your stream URL and then paste this inside of the server. Now head back over to Kick and also copy the stream key as well, and you'll also need to go and enter that into the stream key. You can then go and press apply and press OK. Now before we start streaming, we need to go and change a couple of settings. So come back over to settings, now click on video in the left hand side, make sure your base canvas resolution is set to 1920 by 1080, and also the output scaled resolution, have this set to 1920 by 1080. Now if you're streaming gaming, you also want to set your FPS to 60. Once you've done this, press apply and OK. You can then press the start streaming button, and as you can see, we're now streaming. So now head back over to your Kick profile, click on stream, and as you can see, we are now live on Kick.